Sarap ng weather, sarap ng view. Tsaka energized pa naman tayo. Pero later, I'm going to bring you somewhere na so unique, so different na only here and in Russia nyo makikita. Which I think very common siya sa atin na napupuntahan at saka nakikita natin. So, I'll bring you to that place later. And I hope you guys will like it. Now we are going to one of the place na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Ayan guys, so pag andito ka sa Belarus, pati sa Russia din, ang McDonald's nila, ang tawag doon is McD. Wow. So check natin kung ano yung menu sa loob. O diba, parang McDonald's lang talaga kasi may McCafe. Wow. Pero iba lang talaga yung term. Check natin. Aray ko. Ayan. So technically parang McDonald's din talaga siya. Ayan yung mga burger. Oh. Ayan. Ayan, so check natin yung language. Boom. So pwede. Start order. So parang ganito lang din talaga. Parang McDonald's. So eto yung siguro mag-burger lang tayo. New. Meron silang Belarusian burger. This is so unique. 10 dirhams. Kabili nga niya. Okay. Great combo. So yung combo is 12. Okay. Medium. Potato wedges. Or French fries. French fries. And then for this one, I guess I need something hot. Okay, let's go for green tea. Ayun. Tapos add to order tayo. 15. Tapos meron silang mga dessert. Siguro vanilla muffin with cranberry. Parang gusto. Hala, my goodness. Ang mura lang, no? Kita nyo, 3? Parang 4 dirhams. Let's say 5 dirham. Bili na natin. Tapos, I guess that's all. Parang eto lang yung menu. Proceed to order. Confirm order. Confirm tayo. And then, in the hall or in the package? In the hall na lang tayo. Pay at the checkout or pay at the terminal. So since pay at the terminal tayo, wait. Ayan. Mag-tap lang tayo. Ayan. Bayad na. So processing payment. Order status, printing receipts, yung order natin number 41. Okay, so order is here. Wait na lang natin. Wow! Ayan na guys, so ito yung in-order natin. So meron tayong green tea, French fries, tapos ito yung tinatawag nilang Belarusian burger. I think parang chicken lang din naman siya. Hold on, check natin. Okay guys, so eto yung Belarusian burger. I think parang chicken patty din siya. Mukhang masarap naman. Sige, anyway. Ito yung McD. So parang McDonald's version dito sa Belarus and sa Russia. This has been Poppy G Travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Spasiba!